Hey, gamer kid, you wanna fight? So, you wanna fight now, gamer nerd?
Is that the Battlefield 5 Limited Edition Supreme mouse?
Yeah, man, what you got, nerd?
Well, I got the Razer Mamba Tournament Edition.
Hi guys, GB1 here. Today I have the Razer Mamba Tournament Edition, and I'm going to show you why I like this mouse. Now, a lot of people argue that the Elite Edition, or just the Razer Mamba Elite, is the better version of the Mamba series. But this one is alright, and it's a cheaper price right now because people have tracking issues. I haven't seemed to see them as much as other people do. So yes, tracking issues. There's a lot with this mouse. That's why a lot of people are selling them on eBay for a lot cheaper, like around $50. But I bought this for $90 2 years ago at my local Target. So, not really worth reselling. I have gotten a lot of use, as you can see from the mouse feet right here. And I have a lot of things to say about this nice mouse. First off, side buttons. It has 2 side buttons right here, and you can program them in the Razer Synapse software. It's also got programmable buttons. You can program those buttons. You can program this button right here. You can program the DPI. I just leave it to DPI though. And obviously you can program those. You can also program up and down. So it's a pretty cool mouse. If you want customization while gaming. But yes, the optical sensor is where people have issues. As you can see, it's kind of bronze, and people really do not like this optical sensor because it sometimes cuts out during gaming. But I've only experienced that on one occasion after owning this mouse for about 2 years. So if you want to pick up a cheap Razer mouse, this is about $50. I think it's way better than the Death Adder, as in it has like the chroma functionality on the sides right here, which you can program most of these lights right here in Razer Synapse 3 and the original Razer Synapse. You also can program the color on the mouse wheel too, and on the Razer logo right here. I think that's just better than standard green, which the Death Adder has, and it's also around $50. So I'd recommend picking this up at eBay or Amazon. Amazon sells it for $90, so probably just go on eBay, pick up a used one, $50. Really good mouse. I definitely recommend it. It is wired though, so if you like wireless mice, then too bad. And this cord is very long, so don't worry about not having enough cord length. Thank you guys so much for watching this review of the Razer Mamba Tournament Edition. If you want to see any of my other Razer reviews, check out one of the cards right around here. And if you'd like to subscribe, go ahead and do that. I'll be posting a lot more Razer videos soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye!